Hi dear friends, dear students, welcome to Gallant IAS. Yes, now almost 2 months left for the Prelims examination 2022. I know many of you guys are very much worried about certain things of preparation. Let me list it out. One thing is juggling of multiple things. This is a concern or this is a problem with many aspirants. When they come very close to this exam, they get confused and at a time they try to do multiple things. Some even do optional preparation, mains answer writing, CSAT, conventional, non-conventional, newspaper analysis, multiple video preparation, so many things they do at a time, and most always they end up with nothing. It will seriously affect your preparation. So you must have a very good strategy, a very good preparation plan for the next 2 months. You must allot quality hours for your conventional, non-conventional areas and your CSAT. It should not be like that you mix up everything and in single 1 hour you do multiple things. Don't do that. Now you can give holidays for your optional preparation, your mains preparation. Only 2 months left, na? Yes, spend some quality hours for your conventional subjects one by one, quality hours for your current affairs, quality hours for your CSAT, and quality hours for practice of mock test. So plan it accordingly. Every day you may have at least 8 to 10 very productive hours for preparation and divide them into various slots allotted for conventional subjects, current affairs and your CSAT, and for practice. Prepare accordingly. Okay, don't be like mixed up with multiple things. Don't confuse yourselves. Now the second thing is syllabus. This is not like everything under the sky, everything over the sea will be asked in this examination. It is not like that. This exam has a perfect syllabus. It has history, economy, geography, polity, environmental science, science and tech, current affairs. Even in CSAT also quantitative aptitude, reasoning and this reading comprehension. So it has a perfect syllabus. All of you guys, please prepare according to the syllabus. You must know what is the syllabus of history, economy, geography, polity, environmental science, science and tech, and here this is CSAT, etc. Have an idea about the syllabus, prepare according to the syllabus. That will save you, that will help you to clear this time. It is not random preparation, it is not everything under the sky you must study, everything over the Pacific Sea you have to study. It's not like that. Has a syllabus. This exam has a syllabus. Prelims also has a syllabus. Prepare according to syllabus demand. Now mock test. Importance of mock test. I know many guys still like this. My preparation is not over. Still I am preparing. I am studying history, economy, geography. Once I finish this, I will take mock test. When you are going to mock test here? Now only 2 months left. Are you planning to take mock test after the prelims final exam? June 5th the prelims exam. You will take mock test after 5th of June. Don't be idiotic in this preparation. This is the serious crime. This is the serious blunder committed by many of the aspirants. They almost got to 1 year for the preparation and last 2 months also they are still in the process of preparing. Here revision matters a lot. Revision, repeated revisions, number of revisions, multiple rounds of revisions matters a lot. And mock tests are also very effective solution for quality revision of the subjects. So don't delay mock test anymore. At least from now onwards, you take mock test seriously, quality mock test. You take mock test seriously. That's very important to be familiar with the pattern of this exam. Okay, it is very important to apply your common sense, your logic, your elimination in the exam, in the questions. And that practice is very important for time management ideas. So don't ever, and no one in this preparation who study 100%, then they take the final test. Everyone is like this. They prepare, they study, they revise. Along with that, they practice mock test and they give the exam. Okay, so don't delay the mock test anymore. Mock tests are very, very important for revision of the subjects, quick learning of the concepts, and for getting clear-cut idea about the exam or clear-cut idea about how to approach each question in each topic in each subject. Okay, or what kind of questions, how the UPSC frame questions, what kind of the thought process I must have, or how I must link my thought process with the UPSC thought process. For understanding these mock tests are very, very important. UPSC standard mock tests are important. Now all study, no revision, that also will not work out here. Okay, you study, you already studied, you are studying, it's okay, but give revisions. Before this exam, you make sure that good number of the revisions you have done for every subject, every module, including current affairs. You have done good number of revisions, that matters a lot. Don't ever underestimate and overestimate your capacity, your potentials. Okay, you must have good number of revisions also. Then see, respect to CSAT. This happened with many aspirants. After exams, they start weeping, sir, I lost the game because of CSAT. Yeah, you are repeating the same thing for the last 4 or 5 years. You know that CSAT is a qualifier, but still it is tough. But still you are not able to, or you are not giving importance to CSAT. If you feel that because of the CSAT you are not qualifying, then it is very important that you should give quality hours on CSAT every day. It is not like a 24/7 you focus on CSAT. Quality hours you are spending on your GS preparation, then at least 2 to 3 hours you spend on your CSAT also, yeah. Okay, it has quantitative aptitude, reasoning and comprehension areas. So give quality time over that, over learning and practicing of CSAT. And CSAT can be tackled only by tremendous practices, tremendous practices. Okay, so that's again very important. So spend some quality hours over your CSAT. So you should have respect for CSAT. You should have basic respect for CSAT. You give good weightage to CSAT preparation too. Now worry no worry. Sometimes you can have some chocolates here. Dairy milk or maybe Kit Kat, whatever. You be tension free. If you are like almost always worried, tends to so much like a pressure cooker, result is nothing here. Okay, you have tension in the bathroom hours, you have tension in the lunch hours, you have tension, sleeping bed, you have tensions, merrymaking, you have tension, everywhere you have tensions only. And it will transform into a huge gigantic Bahubali tension. Okay, so tensions, yeah, we have the brain, we have the capacity, okay, and try to understand the reality. This exam is tough means the exam is tough for everyone. This exam is easy means it is easy for everyone. Be ready for that. Accept the reality. Prepare accordingly. Make yourself super strong to compete with others, yeah. Okay, UPSC will not come down to your standard. You have to match up with the UPSC standard. UPSC competitive level. Okay, so don't worry always. You give chutti for worries also. Okay, your salary, your job, your girlfriend, boyfriend worries, just bury somewhere. Okay, now you focus preparation. And worries are common. Sometimes you get tensions, and we are human beings and we are excellent in overcoming tensions also. We know the art of overcoming tensions. You watch some stand-up comedies, you watch some comic movies, or you watch some whichever the genre movies you like for some time. Okay, or you go for a walk, you chat with your friends who give you positive vibes. Okay, talk to your parents or be engaged in some physical exercises. Make yourself strength, this stress, strain, relaxed. What is called a tension free. Have some chocolates. Get to regular breaks in between preparations and focus on preparation. Okay, solutions are with you. So take care of these aspects and focus on preparation. Results will be super good. Okay, so take care of these aspects and just spread this message to your fellow aspirants also, because in this preparation, if you are ready to share, then you will grow. Okay, if you are narrow-minded, I don't think it will be beneficial for you and for others too. Now coming to this art and culture, Art and culture is very interesting area provided you have basic interest for this subject. Okay, you must have basic interest for this subject because it is part of syllabus. Now coming to art and culture, it has a perfect syllabus and UPSC regularly asks minimum 1 or 2 questions from that syllabus. Some art and culture questions are very alien type of questions, but basic knowledge, if you understood this art and culture thoroughly, you can answer any questions. Okay, you may miss 1 or 2, rest of the art and culture questions you can easily answer. Now coming to a question which is Nagabandha Mudra, in which the body is connected through curves in the shape of 8 is an important posture in which, postures of dances, we have classical dances and folk dances of India. UPSC already asked lots of questions from dances, postures of dances, themes of dances, states of dances, okay, recognition to dances, or maybe salient features of dances, okay, literature associated with the dances. So there are lots of questions UPSC already asked. The postures are also important. You remember UPSC asked about the Tribhanga posture, that belongs to which classical dance of India? Tribhanga posture. Okay, so this is Nagamandha posture belonging to Manipuri dance of India, which is also known for its Rasalila, that Krishna Radha love story, okay, Rasalila theme. So Manipuri dance which follows this what is called Nagamandha Mudra, this posture belongs to Manipuri dance. Classical dances and their origin, their features, their postures, their themes, etc. very important for you, go for it. Now there is a school of sculpture. We study there are 3 different schools of sculpture. Gandhara, Madura, Amaravati schools of sculpture. Gandhara, Madura, Amaravati schools of sculpture. Gandhara, you know, it is on banks of Indus river. Madura on Yamuna river. And Amaravati on Krishna river. Okay, if Gandhara use chief material as the grey sandstone, Madura use spotted red sandstone, Amaravati white marble. So you must have a comparative analysis on the features of Gandhara, Madura, Amaravati schools of sculpture. This type of the description based questions, they already asked on Amaravati. Now this type of the questions you can expect in the prelims examination. School of sculpture flourished on the banks of Yamuna river and practiced Buddhism, Jainism, Hinduism themes. Then patronized by Kushanas and chief material is spotted red sandstone and Buddha is seated in Padmasana Mudra. So these are the features of Madura school of sculpture, Madura school of sculpture, which was regarded as the indigenous school of art. Initially it had no foreign influences, purely indigenous school of art. Okay, so this is about Madura school of sculpture. Now it's about these schools of philosophy. It's again very important for you, dears. Okay, there are different schools of philosophies, orthodox schools of philosophy and unorthodox schools of philosophies. Orthodox schools of philosophy, unorthodox schools of philosophy. It's important for you because UPSC asks you questions from orthodox and unorthodox schools of philosophy. They will shuffle the features and will confuse you. So there are different orthodox schools, Samkhya school, Nyaya school, Vaiseshika or Mimamsa, different schools of orthodox schools of philosophy, unorthodox schools of philosophy. You should know their distinguished features. Yoga school of philosophy argue everything in this universe created by 5 main elements of fire, air, water, earth, sky. No. Yoga school believes yogic practices required for salvation. Vaiseshika school of philosophy developed atomic theory. Yeah, this Vaiseshika is regarded as the ancient Indian school of physics. Ancient Indian school of physics, it believes in atom theory, atomic theory. Second statement is true. Nyaya school supports logical analytical thinking to find the real truth. Yes, it applies logical analysis or logical thinking in order to analyze the real truth. Okay, so let's say the second and third statements are correct here. Second, you know, Nyaya school also says that truth, reality must be judged from multiple point of views. You know, a kind of Anegandavada philosophy. Here also, criticism or logical thinking is required for understanding the reality, which is Nyaya school of philosophy, Vaiseshika Nyaya school of philosophy. Regarding that, the statements are true. 2 and 3 is correct here. There is a question which is about Sangam is an assembly of poets, writers which were patronized by Chola rulers. Who cares? But we care. What care? Yes, Sangam school, Sangam is an assembly of poets. Nothing wrong in that. Assembly of poets, scholars, writers. And you know that Sangam literature is the earliest South Indian literature too. Now Sangam is assembly of poets, scholars, writers. Nothing wrong in that. But they were patronized by Pandya rulers than Chola rulers. If you read Tamil Nadu NCERT or any basic NCERT, you can understand this. Okay, UPSC directly frame question from NCERTs too, my dears. Okay, try to understand the reality. So this is not a Cholas but Pandyas. Tolkapiyam, a test on Tamil grammar, was written during the second Sangam. It's true. In the first Sangam, no literary works left because that's attended by gods and goddesses. They don't have the habit of preparing these UPSC running notes. They don't have the habit of writing these diaries and all. They directly memorize everything, register in the minds. So nothing left in the first Sangam assembly. Second Sangam assembly, we get to this, Tolkapiyam by Tolkapiyar, which is a work on Tamil grammar. But it also throws light into the society and economy and polity of this South India, okay, or Sangam age. So Tolkapiyam, a work on Tamil grammar written during second Sangam, that is true. Here the question is asking for not correct one, your answer has to be one only is your answer, okay. So all of you guys try to solve this number of, this type of the questions every day. I would say it is not necessary you have to take all 100 questions in a single sitting. You can even break down. You can divide the full test into like a two part, 50-50. For 50 questions you set to 1 hour. 100 questions you set to 2 hours, 120 minutes, and 50 questions you set to 1 hour. Try to finish it less than 60 minutes. If you are again dividing, there is 25 questions that should be in half an hour. Okay, that is the way you can divide the papers, but time management matters a lot. Try to finish within the time bound manner. Okay, so take the mock test on regular basis, and also please try to understand that these days your preparation revisions become more productive by solving mock test. Okay, that is very important, and that is the way of revising and covering maximum areas from these conventional and current affair subjects. So don't delay your mock test anymore. At least from now onwards, all of you guys take the mock test. And many quality videos we have released in our YouTube channel, Gallant IAS YouTube channel. So refer it. Playlists are also available in our Padashala UPSC Padashala channel also. The links are provided. So watch them. Many quality contents are there. And let's target question solving series are also there. Watch it, share with your friends, and please do subscribe our channel for regular notifications. And Gallant IAS is always there with you to support in your prelims and your mains preparation, UPSC preparation. So we are there with you in your UPSC journey. All the best. Thank you.